I've never filmed something like this before, but I've seen someone film it and I am subscribed to. Must-haves that I want, showing you guys and talking about new products that I could see myself buying in the future, and like new makeup, skincare, only that. If you guys want it for it to be like in general, like fashion, even food, like anything. But for now, I'm more kneeling towards makeup and skincare. I took screenshots of things that I have been wanting for a while. Some of them are throwbacks, but they're products that I want to have, you know. They're either new or old. Every month I'm gonna be doing this, and every month I'm gonna be showing you guys. The first product I saw and I've been seeing in social media a lot. This is from Ulta. I entered first Ulta, and there I saw it's a BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival. It's a 20 color shadow palette. Why did I saw this? I saw this and this gave me summer vibes and festival vibes. Even though I'm not gonna go to one, these shades are beautiful. You guys have no idea. You guys gotta get these. Do you see this? This is beautiful. I feel like it's different, but different is good, you know. Sometimes you have to step out of your comfort zone and stop, not kneel towards the brown shades and red tones like always. This one is like a throwback type of thing because it's been there in Ulta for a while. This is the Carly Babel Deluxe Edition 21 color eyeshadow and highlighter palette. I don't know, I feel like going towards it now, I feel like some of the shades are a little similar towards the one that she made before, which I think it is. I think she did that. She added new colors as well, but I still want it because it has different colors, and I love her. I support her and I watch her videos, I watch her vlogs, everything. It's a big palette. They say it's really big. The next thing that I saw is something that I want to step out. Like, I want to go all out on my brows now. I feel like the only thing I do on my brows is like a brow pencil and just set it, and that's it. Lately, I have been wanting to go more the perfect brow because lately I haven't created the perfect brow. If you guys can see, this is the Benefit Cosmetics Soft and Natural Brows Kit. Goof Proof Kit for natural looking brows. You know, I want my brows to look natural, but I want them to look really pretty. And normally I would get it because if I don't get this kit, I will probably get the 24-hour brow setter and the brow pencil, the Goof Proof. The next thing I saw and I have been wanting lately, this is the Dominique Cosmetics online only latte palette. Okay, online only. Let me just say, when I saw this palette, one of my favorite beauty gurus, she is so nice, she's so kind, saw that she created this palette. It has pop of colors and it also has brown tones. It's like, it's beautiful, and it has 3 shimmer colors, and those 3 shimmer colors, if you guys didn't know or have heard, she put some type of shimmer, like pearl, something of pearls. I love it so much. I was like, I need that in my life. You guys know that I'm all up for highlighters. I love me some highlighters. From Cosmetics On The Glow highlighting palette. Girl, when I saw this, I was like, this is beautiful and it's big. I see 6 shades. I think that brown shade, that only bronzy, I think that's for a bronzer. I don't know. It's super pricey. It's $110. For Cosmetics. You kill me with that price. Moving on to the Sephora app, something that I saw and that I've seen Nicole Guerrero use this a couple of times already, actually. This is the Jet Lag Mask, and let me see from which brand it is. Summer Fridays. I've seen her use it and I'm a little intrigued, and I'm like, I want to see what all that is about. Like, what does it have? It's for all skin types, normal, oily, combination, dry, sensitive, any. It says a one-of-a-kind hydrating cream face mask featuring proven skin-loving ingredients that deliver rich hydration and a radiant complexion in just one application. Yo, I need this in my life because this is what I want. I want a moisturizing mask. This next thing, this is the Forsali Volcanic Elixir. Pricey. It's a hydrating oil type of thing, and Amanda Ensing loves this product so much that I feel like I need that. This is the Narcissist Wanted Cheek Palette. I noticed that I have, this is the reason why I want it. 1, because I have very few cheek palettes or like cheek products. I'm not saying cheap, I mean cheeks, like for the cheeks. A lot of them that are high-end, and I've been wanting to get like experiment, but I also don't want to buy singles. Something else that I don't like. I don't like buying single blushes. I like having them as palette, like for different type of shades. If Sephora wants to send me like that from that monthly subscription, if you want to send me that product, oh, just seen this video, that product in the box. It retails for $59, like I said. I need this thing before it sold out. This is definitely something that I expect for myself to buy. You guys know, I am all out for the highlighters. I love having highlight. Today we went for like a subtle one, but you still can see it. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Resi highlighter, and it's limited edition, unfortunately, but it's such a gorgeous color, and I think it's for all skin types if I don't mistaken. It's a light brilliant gold, it's called. It retails for $28. It's not that bad. It's less expensive than the Becca Champagne Pop. It's something that I expect to buy soon because my skin has been crazy, and when I used this mask once, the tube one, I used the tube one, not the actual product, like the big regular product. When I got that, it helped so much on my skin, and this is something that I've been wanting to get and I've been needing. It's a Supermod activated charcoal treatment, and it retails for $59. It's expensive, but it's worth it because it makes miracles on your face. It's good for the acne and blemishes, 1. It's good for oiliness, 2. And it's amazing for the pores, 3. This is limited edition. Since I received a Too Faced Face Veil palette, I feel like I don't really need this in my life now that I think about it, but this is something that I would love. This is the Blush Bar Cheek Palette from Benefit Cosmetics. It retails for $58. That's expensive. It's brand new. It has blush, bronzer, and highlighter as well, similar to the Face Veil palette from Too Faced. So I feel like, why should I get it, Dayannette, if you already have the Face Veil palette? Next thing is the Kat Von D Shade and Light Face Contour Refillable Palette. I have that palette, but I feel like I have the Shade and Light Contour palette. I don't have the refillable palette. I have been linking my palette every single time I use it on my videos. I link it on the description, but the refillable palette, because they discontinued, or they don't have it anymore. It's not there. In Sephora Ulta, it's not there. The actual regular contour palette, which is the one that I have. Now they changed the packaging, the opening thing. It's like shimmery. Mine's matte. And I want to get it to see what's the difference and why to discontinue it. Because if it came fucked up or something, I'm still using that. That's my favorite palette. I've been wanting to get a new high-end foundation. You guys know that I love my makeup forever, but lately I haven't used it because it creases a lot on my smile lines. I've heard amazing things of the Hourglass Vanish Seamless Finish Foundation Stick. Casey Holmes rages about this, and she loves this foundation stick. I think it's her favorite foundation stick that she has, like high-end one. It retails for $46. That's what has me in the midst of buying it or not. I'm very cheap when it comes to high-end makeup. I think things through. Moving on to Kylie Cosmetics, I entered there. I haven't entered there in a hot minute, and when I entered, I started screenshotting like a crazy person. The first thing is the Kristen Lip Kit liquid lipstick. This is a liquid lipstick, and I used to use it non-stop when I was a blonde girl because I used to look like a badass bitch. I want to go back to it, and I want to get it again, and I actually completely wasted it, and I don't have that lipstick, and I really want to get it again, but I want to get the big one. I got the holiday edition one. Something else that I also saw, this is the Blue Honey palette. They look nice. They have brown shades, blue and yellow. That pop of yellow, like it's calling my name. Next thing is the highlighter palette from the Weather collection that she came out with. I want the highlighter pressed powder palette. That's expensive. That's what has me thinking, you know, because why would I buy something that's one product only for $44? I can do a lot. I can go to the drugstore and buy a whole bunch of shit with $44. Next thing, which is last but not least from the Kylie Cosmetics, is the exposed lip kit. You guys know, I think I said this once in a video before, I have bought an exposed lip kit and I had lost it. So I really want to get it again, and I want to start using it again. It retails for $29. So I have never had, oh yes, I had like 2 liquid lipsticks from ColourPop, but otherwise than that, I have never had like actual eyeshadows or something. And recently I heard about the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. You guys, people say that this is amazing, and the color range, and it's only $6. So affordable. ColourPop is an amazing brand, and I've heard so many good things amazing things. I don't think I've ever heard any hate on it. Let's go back to Sephora. I forgot to mention this. This is the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. Lately, I've heard so many amazing things from Drunk Elephant from the collection. The price is that it's what kills me the most. Retails for $72. $72, just in case you didn't hear me. I see myself buying it in the future. Right now, I'm gonna still think about it because $72. This is last but not least. Don't worry, you guys, we're done. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Lately, I've been wanting to experiment more with powders, like loose setting powders, and I don't know if it was Amanda Ensing or someone else that tried this powder and they said it was amazing. It retails for $7.99. Like, come on. The Airspun I think is like $6 or $7 as well. This is why I love this. Drugstore are killing the game this 2018. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys if you like this type of like videos where I talk about hot new shit.